In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change image border color here in Canva. So I have this image just here. First off, we're going to have to add a border. So we want to click onto the image, come up to the toolbar just here, and choose this little border style. Now let's go with a solid line and let's make that quite thick. Now to change the color of this is really simple. If we look next to the border styles, we see this little black circle. If we click on there, this is going to be the border color. Now there's a few different options that we have with gradient colors down here. So you can have a gradient on the border. There's also default colors, which are just here as well. And it's also going to pull all of the colors out of your design and then put them here, just under photo colors. Now, if you have a color already in mind that you want for your border, we can simply click onto this little plus icon and then we can put the hex code color just here. Now we can also play around with this color palette as well, choosing the color that we want, and we can also use this little eyedropper. So if we click on there, this is going to allow us to choose any color which is in our design. So if we go ahead and choose something like this red and click on there, we now have that as the border color. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change the image border color here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.